Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey if you are new here, and thank you for joining us today. So today we are doing a little bit of a different video. It's something that I came up with, I believe. I haven't searched YouTube to see if this already exists out there. I just kind of was cleaning up my drawers one day and thought of this idea that I thought was brilliant and that I wanted to film for you guys. So, like I said, I was cleaning my drawers one day and I came across these. Now, you're probably like, okay, what the heck is that? These are the little pamphlets that you get when you buy a new makeup palette, and it gives you different makeup tutorials to do with written instructions on them so you can follow them. Now, usually people just kind of discard this and don't really follow these at all, but I thought it would be pretty entertaining to see if I can attempt to do these and if they would turn out like the picture says. Now, I'm pretty sure the only brand that really does this is Too Faced, because all three of these are Too Faced. But I do have a big Estee Lauder palette that also has tips and tricks on how to do your makeup. So I thought it would be a good idea to turn this into like a mini series where we attempt to do these looks, and then my boyfriend can also come on and attempt to follow these directions as well, and I think that could be super funny to watch. My idea behind this was to do a few looks from these little pamphlets in a video, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, depending on how short or long the video gets to be. And the ones that we have today are the Too Faced Country, the Christmas in New York Grand Hotel Cafe collection. This one I'm super excited for, but I don't think I'm gonna do this one today. And then the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon Palette. And then I can always go out and buy more Too Faced palettes and see if they have these, and if they do, keep doing this if you like them, of course. So we're gonna try this out today, and if you actually do like the video, please leave a comment below. Tell me how you liked it. If you wanna see more, then we will definitely do more because I have a lot of them. So for today, I think that I wanna do the Chocolate Bonbons palette, which is this one right here. This was my first ever like real makeup palette from a good brand, and I was so excited for this because everybody knows that it smells like chocolates, and it just was so pretty to me. And I had a goal for the longest time to collect all of the Too Faced scented palettes. Okay, so without further ado, here is the video. So today we are doing the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons. I want to do the bronze chocolate today. Let's just get started. So I have my Morphe makeup brushes here that was gifted to me by my boyfriend, and we're just gonna jump right in. So the first direction says apply satin sheets from crease to brow. So we're just gonna take a fluffy brush like this one and apply satin sheets from crease to brow. This is kind of odd because satin sheets is this highlight shade right here, and this shade is literally what I use to highlight my brow bone. So the fact that this is acting as kind of like a transition color is making me a little bit weirded out, but we're just gonna attempt it anyway. And they put like a picture of like a fake eye with numbers on it, so I'm just gonna try to follow that. So like right up on the very top of the lid, I guess, which I guess it kind of is acting more as a highlight right now, but we'll see how it turns out. Buff mocha upwards into crease, then smudge into lower lash line. So we're gonna take mocha, this color, right here, buff it into the crease. It's not looking horrible. Okay, second step is done. On to the third step. Blend molasses chip onto lid. this shimmery, pretty color right there. So when these palettes are purchased, I feel like people just literally toss that into recycling and then do their own thing, which is totally understandable. I do the exact same thing, but I think it's interesting that they put these tutorials in there, and I haven't really seen anybody attempt to do them. Okay, not gonna lie, this is like looking pretty. All right, fourth and last step is deepen crease with Bordeaux and smudge into lower lash line. Okay, so Bordeaux is this gorgeous brownish reddish color. I don't even know if that's the right way to describe it, but it's like one of my favorite colors in the palette. So deepen the crease and smudge into lower lash line. This is really pretty actually, and I kind of wish I did this last so I can just keep it on. I think that's it, and I know it kind of probably doesn't look that different to you guys, but up close in the mirror, I think this is super pretty, super flattering, and I'm not sure if it looks anything like this, but it's still cute. I think this deserves a thumbs up. I just wiped off all of that previous shadow, and we'll move on to the next look, which is Sugared Smoke. First step, sweep satin sheets from crease to brow. So same step, same first step as the one that we just did. So I'm just gonna do the same. Second step, blend Pecan Praline into the crease. Pecan Praline is this like grayish taupey shade, and we have to blend this into the crease. Third, press Cafe Au Lait onto inner lid and smudge onto lower lash line. I do not know how to pronounce that, I'm so sorry. The silvery shade right there. Next step, blend Earl Grey into outer V and smoke into outer lower lash line. So Earl Grey is this shade right here. I mean, I think I've touched it like once because it's such an intense shade, but we'll see how this goes. So they want us to blend this into this, oh Lord. Oh my gosh, that just took a turn. Holy crap, you guys. I literally look like those cheerleaders that do their makeup for every cheer competition or whatever, and they have that really harsh, unblended look. No offense, but seriously, I'm not judging at all, I swear. This is just what it looks like. All right, we gotta do some major blending here. Okay, so it's super like blotchy, kind of, if you can tell. Really not my kind of look. It's not really what I would go for or gravitate towards. And it doesn't really look like the picture. Like, I feel like this has more greeny in it, and then this is just kind of a disaster. Like, I don't even know what to say about this. I'm just gonna wipe it off now. All right, disaster avoided. Okay, next and final look. I'm most excited for this. Bon Bon Babe. Like, seriously, how can you not love that pink in there? So we're just gonna attempt this and hope that it turns out better than the last one, which kind of a feeling it will. So first step, sweep Divinity in from lash line to brow. So this is different this time. Divinity is this larger pie right here, and it's a matte highlight shade, super pretty and like cream shade color. I know it's probably not going to show up, but hey, I can still like it. Next step, apply Black Currant onto inner and outer corners and smudge into lower lash line. Black Currant is this deep purple shade right there. So I could be completely wrong, but like, I think it's called like a halo eye, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Not doing horribly.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god. Okay, I just effed that up a little bit. Oh, gee. Okay, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna blend it out. It's all good. Next step. Press Totally Fetch onto center of lid. This pink Mean Girls probably inspired shadow. And we're gonna press that onto the center of our lid, right in the middle of the two purples. Oh my god, this eye is a literal wreck, you guys. I look terrifying. Okay, moving on. Lightly sweep almond truffle into crease to blend shades. Thank God we needed this step. Almond truffle is this beautiful shade right there. When you guys are doing your makeup, do you ever have just that one eye that cooperates so much better than your other? Because for me, that's probably the most accurate statement ever. Like, this eye always just looks 100 times better than this one, but the pigment always shows up more on this eye. I don't know, can somebody explain to me that phenomenon? This is so messy, holy. We're trying our hardest to salvage this makeup look, okay? I think that's the best I can do. Oh my god, this eye. With finger, dab Divinity onto inner corner. Okay, Divinity on my finger. My camera died, but I dabbed the Divinity color into the inner corners, and honestly, this look, if I primed my eyes properly, spent careful time and detail on it, and then applied lashes and everything, I think it would be really pretty actually. So here's what it looks like. It's not, I think the second one was a fail, to be honest. I don't know if I would ever wear that look. Maybe if I did the same thing and just spent a lot of time on it maybe, but overall I really liked the first one. This one is very pretty too. I just think this was a little bit messy on my part, but I don't know, you guys. I kind of think these turned out pretty good in my opinion, and I would definitely do it again if I ever had an outfit that matched pink and purple. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, leave a comment down below, subscribe, give me a like, and if you want to see more of this, please let me know because I have a lot more of these babies for you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.